Yes, so right now tomorrow we're going to be hit by this big hurricane. A lot of you will be hit by the same hurricane. It's really annoying. So we're just doing a lot of prep right now, and we thought we'd show you guys a little bit of what we're doing. And yeah.
That was really good. That was really good, Lauren. You looked amazing.
To all the days we were together, to all the time we were apart of each other's lives.
Good leg. Release. Good leg.
Heart to heart,
Fly. Good.
so I had
Good,
a
now
late
lift up.
arrival, so we
Good, you
never
just
saw
moved
the
your back.
start
Limb. Now lift up.
of
Leg.
each other's lives.
Okay. Oh, my hair is crusty. Okay, so we just cleaned out the tack shed a little because Josie wants to deep clean the pads, and I don't know, we're just bringing our saddles, all of our leather home. So we took out those. We have our pellets in there. And then this is what we're taking home. And then most of our stuff is in our box back there.
Heart to heart, heart to heart.
I'm just on it. See it again. So what am I doing?
Just showing them the stuff.
Where are you going?
Yeah, it's been going this whole time.
Oh, lovely. Okay, guys. So take some precautions. Obviously, I cleaned out Ella's stall and we dug out their draining system, so that she hopefully won't get a flooded stall. I'm gonna put an extra water bin up here for her food, and make sure she has plenty of food, so that she can stay hydrated without having to go out in the pouring rain. And yeah, I'm gonna give her some fly spray, make sure she's not bugged by flies. We're not gonna put any blankets on because it will be hot, and we don't want them to be overheating.
Coochie's tail. Ren is right. Long ways is so much better. Oh, feisty. Okay, we're gonna go into Gucci.
Heart to heart, heart to heart.
Okay. So I sort of did her stall, but I sort of didn't because she broke the broom first of all, and then it's just like dirt. I don't know if dirt really matters, but yeah. You look like a prisoner.
I look like I'm homeless right now.
Yeah, we both look like we're homeless.
Heart to heart, no, it seems so quick and easy.
Okay, it's time for the goodbye treat. Josie, come give Ella a treat. Come give Ella a treat. Come here. Oh. Up, raise your head. Okay.
Sentimentally assumed, parallels. Heart to heart. To all the days we were together.
Do you want me to close it?
Not yet. Next load.
Next load. I have all the pads that I'm bringing. She's bringing like 100, but like, yeah.
We put towels down in case it like seeps through or something to dry it up.
We still have our little mailbox from Christmas.
To all the time we played apart.
So we also have this like, you might not hold what's up right now, but we also have this tack box that is like waterproof. So we have most of our stuff in there, besides like our leather things and our nice pads. But
And Punky's gone.
Punky's gone, guys.
Punky's gone.
The baby's gone.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, we gotta go tell him goodbye.
Let's get that little stall. So that's what we got. There's the
Broken broom.
all good.
Okay. Okay. Last load. Oh. I'm the cameraman and I'm carrying everything. Yeah, there you go. Josie's now taking over.
New cameraman, guys. We definitely took home a lot more things than we did, like we needed to, but we're also gonna clean it all.
Let's
So
have a cleaning party.
we should.
Cause I have all the oil in my house.
Saddle. I have oil too, though.
I've been hogging it. Let's do it today.
No, or tomorrow. Well, I just need to clean this all out. But then we got both of our saddles. Oh, this is mine. My saddle, her saddle, all of our pads, girth, whatnot. Got everything. Yep. Goodbye.